This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What up, dog? Welcome to NMT Coach's Corner. You are rocking with your host. I am Dante, and in this particular video, we wanted to get down to how to start your NMT business in Illinois. What up, though, Chi-Town? What up, though, Peoria? All the surrounding areas up in Illinois. So you want to start your business in Illinois. So we're going to go over the fundamentals, the steps on how you can get started. So let's get into this video right now. Step number one. First thing that you want to do, as we always say in all videos, previous videos, and I'm going to keep on preaching this, do your own market research. What's happening in Michigan, what's happening in Illinois, what's happening in Wisconsin, North Carolina, Texas, California, Arizona, is not happening in Illinois. So you want to do your research and figure out what are the requirements for you to get started in Illinois. One of the things that you should be focusing on is do it require certifications, licensing, application fees, what type of insurance do I need, your client needs, what in your particular area, what are the people looking for? Is there a lack of senior assisted living transportation in your area? Is there a lack of student transportation in your area? Do some research, because then you will know what you can provide when going into this business. So do your market research. I'm just going to say that first and foremost. Next, what you want to do is choose the type of clients you want to service, whether it's dialysis, discharge, physical therapy, pharmacy, as we were just talking about, senior assisted living, or student transportation. Now we can go over, just a few of those just to give you a general idea. If you say, for instance, you want to deal with dialysis patients. Okay, if you're dealing with dialysis, then you just know that, okay, those particular clients are going to a 4-hour appointment. So you can do anything within those 4 hours, like get a few other appointments knocked out before you go return to pick them up. Student transportation. Okay, student transportation, you only drop them off in the morning and the afternoon. There's only twice that you really have to deal with those type of clients. I ain't gonna say deal with, but when you have to service those clients. Pharmacy, that just lets you know. You're just going to the pharmacy, you're picking up a patient, taking them to pick up the medicine, bringing them home. Okay, so choose the type of client that you want. Next, you want to go over to irs.gov. Okay, irs.gov is going to give you your employee identification number, EIN number. This is free. So this is where you're going to be able to pay your taxes, for one, because you know you're going to want their money. And for two, this is going to allow you to get your business checking account and other things to help you establish funding. So get your employee identification number from irs.gov. Next, you want to set up your business entity. So what I mean by business entity is whether you're setting up a sole proprietorship, a DBA, a partnership, LLC, like limited liability company, a corporation, trust, estate, whatever it is. So you want to set up your business entity. And what you do is you want to go to www.ilsos.gov. ilsos.gov. Set up your business entity. Reason why you need to set up your business entity, this lets the state of Illinois know that you are operating as a business within their organization. After that, you want to set up a business checking account. So you want to get your business checking account. You want to go to, me personally, I would tell you to go to a local credit union. So local credit unions are more favorable because they are like small, operated, family operated, more than likely. And you don't have to deal with all the regular, dealing with these big banks, going through all that red tape. But do whatever presents you the opportunity. And most credit unions, the minimum deposit that you have to start a business checking account usually is like $200. So you don't have to come up with like $5,000 to, start this particular business checking and savings account. So that's just a pointer. Next, you want to fill out your provider enrollment form. So you are going to be a provider of medical transportation. So you have to go to the state website and fill out the provider enrollment form. This is where they ask you questions such as what type of vehicle you have, type of services that you offer. So whether it's going to be ambulatory, which is a vehicle just such as this, or are you offering a wheelchair or gurney or stretcher. It all depends. So you just let them know exactly what you're going to do. Next, we're going to get, you want to move on to getting your provider National Provider Identifier Number, NPI number. This is something similar to, it's basically like your EIN number, but it's for the healthcare industry. Okay, so if you understand the healthcare industry, there's ways that you have to go about facilitating services and getting your NPI number, especially if you want to work with Medicaid. I believe people that's watching these videos want to work with Medicaid so they can have some steady income coming in. So if that's the case, you have to get your NPI number. This is free as well. You can head to www.cms.gov and get your NPI number. Yeah, you're just gonna get your you're gonna get your NPI number from cms.gov, because especially if you want to work with brokers. So Illinois is a broker state, which means that the state of Illinois is up here, your company's down here, and in the middle between you and Medicaid is the broker. So the broker, you have to go through the broker to get clients. You have to go to the broker to get paid. And that further lets me go into partner with the broker. And MTM is the broker within your state. So you want to partner with them, you go to their website. I believe it's www.mtm/ I'll put it on the screen. But MTM is the broker. And you want to partner with them, especially if you want to work with Medicaid. If not, you can do private pay. I have a video on private pay where you just start, going to medical facilities, and you privately contract with them and you get paid directly, as opposed to waiting for a payment through Medicaid or through your broker. Next, you want to go to get your, we're talking about certifications. So get your CPR certification online or in person at www.redcross.org, and it costs roughly from $35 to like $100, all depends. And you want to be CPR certified. So you want to have you and your drivers medically certified, so you can be able to assist your clients or passengers just in case something happens. Me personally, I wouldn't want nobody driving my family member anywhere without having, the minimum medical training. After that, you want to get your passenger assistant safety sensitivity training certification. This is where you learn wheelchair securement, as well as wheelchair safety and securement safety training. So this is where you're going to learn how to properly secure a passenger, how to properly assist them during the ride. There's certain things that you have to have, training for, and this is what the training is for. And there's more things that they offer, but you can go over. I can't remember the name of the website. I'm going to put it up on here, on the screen somewhere, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But you want to get passengers assistance safety sensitivity certified, and you're going to need this, especially if you want to go in these medical facilities. It looks good on the resume. Let me tell you. Make sure you pay attention to this, what I'm telling you. It looks good on the resume. And you want to just have it as a owner. You know what I'm talking about? Next, in the state of Illinois, to require you to get a criminal background check. Now, if anybody's watching the video and you do have a criminal past, don't worry, because I have a video for people to expunge your criminal record. So go watch that video. We'll link it at the end of the video so you can go and watch that. So I don't want nobody, to be discouraged, because guess what? I've been in your shoes before. I know what you're talking about. So get your criminal background check. Because you're going to need that working with Medicaid and brokers. Next, you want to enroll a private auto provider with the DDD and Impact. DDD stands for Developmental Disabilities. And you want to get registered with them, enroll with them, and go to their website. We'll link it on the page somewhere on the screen. And what you have to have when you qualifying is a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, vehicle registration, mileage tracking forms. Okay. Next, after that, we want to get dispatching software. How are these particular people going to contact you? And if you're going to deal with brokers, some brokers have software already implemented, but if they don't, they're going to ask you, who do you use? So if you do, there's a couple companies that I'm going to recommend: Route Genie, ChipSpark, and ZenPath. Now, these particular ones, they offer, I believe, up to 50 rides for free. Anything after 50 rides will cost. You said you just have to up your plan, but it's not that expensive. But you want to get the best software that, that works primarily for you and your business. So I don't know what that is, but just make sure you are the one that's making that decision on what you need as a business organization. After that, you got to have a online presence. You know what I'm saying? You have to have an online presence when you are in any business. You know what I'm talking about? So you have to get you a website. Now the website, the company that I recommend, they primarily deal with transportation websites where they know exactly what you need. They deal with truck drivers and NEMT companies and things of that nature. Anything to do with trucking, you know what I'm saying, cargo vans or whatever. Whole Route is the company that I'm speaking of. WHOLE Route. You know what I'm saying? They do exactly what you need, transportation needs. They can book the ride and they can also pay for the ride, all implemented in the website. And if you can't do it because it's a little bit costly at this particular time, you can go to GoDaddy, Shopify, or Squarespace. They also do websites as well. But just get you a presence, because when you're dealing with brokers, Medicaid, they're going to want to make sure they can be able to track the information that you're providing for them, because the website needs to have information such as what type of services you offer, whether it's ambulatory, gurney, wheelchair, stretcher, whatever services you offer. They want to see that what you offer and your prices. Want to know how much you're charging. You know what I'm saying? So they know if they're gonna be able to deal with you or not. After that, you want to get your insurance, which is really, really important. Insurance is really important. So in the state of Illinois, commercial auto insurance, general liability insurance is needed. Now, if you can't find no company that provides you the best quote, just Google insurance brokers in Illinois or whatever city that you're in. Next, after that, you want to go, if that doesn't work, or I'm just going to give you some couple companies. NMT Insurance is a company. That's www.nemtins.com, pathwayinsurance.net, progressivecommercial.com, buyberk.com. Go to those, put the information in that you need, speak to someone and tell them what type of company you're starting up, which is an NEMT business, and they're going to give you a quote. If those doesn't work, just shop around. Try to get the best quote available, but this is the most expensive, like one of the most expensive things that we have in this particular industry. So don't get caught up on the numbers, because the numbers are the numbers. You know what I'm saying? You can't change them. Lastly, we're going to talk about marketing. Marketing, you know what I'm saying? You got to get out here and market your business. Go into these medical facilities, talk to these people, send flowers, send, you know what I'm saying, brochures. But you want to create brochures, business cards, vehicle door magnets, vehicle wraps. You know what I'm saying? If I could go around the vehicle, I'll show you the vehicle wrap. But that's what I want you to know. Make sure that people know who you are, type of service you offering, and how to contact you. Hopefully this video helped you, Illinois. What up, though? What up, though, Chi-Town? Until the next one, this has been a video. NEMT Coaches Corner. I am your host, Dante. Until the next one, peace, love, and light. Salute.